Oftentimes when designers or photographers want to make an adjustment to a photo, they can go to Image, Adjustments, and there's a lot of options here for adjusting curves, levels, brightness and contrast, exposure, as well as adjusting hue, saturation, vibrance, color balance, photo filters, and so on. If we use one of these adjustments right now, it would affect the layer that we're currently on in the Layers panel. However, another way to apply these adjustments is to create an adjustment layer. The benefit in using an adjustment layer is that we can change the settings of the effect even after we apply it. And we can also remove the effect or adjust how strong the effect is by changing its opacity after the fact. I'll show you what I mean. Open layered.psd again and click and drag the beach layer to the top. If I go to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation, and adjust the saturation and hue of the layer, the effect is set after I apply it, unless I go to Edit, Undo, or step backward in the History panel. However, if I go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and Hue Saturation, or if I click on the New Adjustment Layer on the bottom of the Layers panel and select Hue Saturation, now we can add the same effect but as an adjustment layer. I can make it more of a subtle effect by lowering the opacity. I can also double click the Hue Saturation adjustment layer and edit it because it stays live. I can also paint some black on this mask right here, the layer mask, so that the effect does not apply to certain areas of the image. There's more on masking later in this course. You can also delete the entire effect by deleting the adjustment layer. Adjustment layers are a better way to add a lot of these effects, and you'll notice if you go to Image Adjustments, a lot of these effects here are also under Layer, New Adjustment Layer. It allows us to create more subtle effects, and also we can adjust the settings even after we've added the effect. Next, we'll go over layer styles, which are a helpful and fun way to add some style to a layer.